Good evening, and I welcome you, students. We are going to begin with another question answer sessions for the competition examinations. We will be discussing on students. Before that, we have 1 minute of meditation. What will we do, students? You will inhale deeply, exhale. You will inhale deeply, exhale. When you inhale deeply, your stomach, your belly will be like balloon. When you will exhale the carbon dioxide, you will exhale the negative energies, stress from the body. All right, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Yes, sir.
You will keep your palms on the table or on your two legs straight and start. Inhale, deep inhaling, exhale. Exhale so much that your belly touches bones of your body. Inhale. You can see the belly is like a balloon. It is filled with the oxygen. Your lungs, your heart, your every part of the body, and every cell of the body, oxygen should reach. That is why it's a deep inhaling. Exhale completely. Compress your stomach inside, inside, inside. Exhale all the negative energies out, out. Inhale. Take the oxygen to the lungs, to the heart, to the blood, to every cell of the body. Experience the relaxation, experience the transformation, experience the quietness, stillness, silence. Bring your awareness to the mind. All the negativity is gone. Only we will focus on the word. Distractions have been eliminated. We have exhaled the toxic gases as well as negative energies, distractions which were present in our mind. Rub your hands. You will experience heat. Heating of the hands. Work is converted into heat energy. Now we will heal our eyes and face with this healing energy. Put your palms on your face, eyes, and rub your face, your neck, your head, and slowly open your eyes with smiles. So we are thankful to the God, prayer to the God that He will grant us power and knowledge and wisdom to perform our duties and give us courage to face any threat we may face in our lives. Now you may open your eyes. Okay. How do you feel, students?
Calm.
Okay, very good. So you are feeling better. Now our energy levels have increased. that inhaling and exhaling, there is already stored food in the body. We burnt it, so it is bursting with energy. Energy has been released in the body, and our energy levels should be high when we do our work, students. So it everything helps us. All right, so we are beginning with the important topic of amine, students. You are aware of, students, when I write amines, this is having functional group NH2, and if I write like this, student, this is another amine. If I write like this, student, so these are amine, students, and in the amines you have nitrogen. You can see there's a lone pair of electron which is present on the nitrogen, students. And if I write this R1, R2, R3, and R4, what will happen? Can the nitrogen form 4 bonds, students?
No, sir.
But it is
Plus
forming,
charge.
then we are saying it is a quaternary ammonium salt.
Yes. Bottom.
You have been given already covalency of nitrogen can be 4, student. And then the when bond 4 will be there, if one of the GOC of chemistry is shown, then it will be nitrogen will be positively charged. The lone pair is gone, it is losing electrons, so that is taken by this. So students, what is this 1 degree,
Yes, sir.
2 degree,
2
and
degree,
3
3
degree?
degree.
So we are going to be dealing with them, and if we know, students, some of the methods which were used for the preparation of the amines. What methods have been used for the preparation of amines? We have used ammonolysis
Yes, sir.
of alkyl halides.
Alkyl halides.
If I react with ammonia, students, what will happen?
RNH3 plus, then it will form RNH2 plus HX.
If I have excess of this, then story is this major. But if you have more of this, then what is going to happen, student? This is another nucleophile. This is an even stronger nucleophile than ammonia. And what it will do, student, it will attack the Rx again, and the result will be R2,
R2NH.
NH, and then further
Again it will attack, then R3N.
R3N.
And then
So,
quaternary salt.
okay, you have another Rx, you are getting R4N plus X minus 2N. So this is the difficulty with this method, that you will be getting mixtures. The problem here is you are getting mixtures. Therefore, this is not a very good method for the preparation. Then if I have, students, nitriles, what I can do, students, nitriles can be reduced by hydrogen or nickel. You have sodium, mercury, and alcohol. What you get are CH2, NH2. Students, you can do the reduction of amides.
Amides.
And one of the reducing agent which are used here, what are the reducing agents, students?
LiAlH4.
LiAlH4 is a good reducing agent, and it is expensive reducing agent. Then if you want to prepare primary amines, few important name reactions you have seen in the book.
Gabriel phthalimide.
Phthalimide. What is the use of this, student, reaction?
It is used for the preparation of primary amines.
If you have, this is phthalimide, and you can this with KOH. Will remove this acidic hydrogen.
N minus K plus.
N minus
K plus.
important reaction are so many times.
RX.
RX. Then what do you get, student?
NR.
CO. And
NR.
then what you will do?
NaOH.
Then you are reacting with NaOH. What you get, students?
COO minus Na plus and primary amine.
Amine. So you can get primary amines, students. Can we get aromatic amines by this method?
No, sir.
Why this question was asked in the paper?
Sir, because the aryl halides will not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction.
So this is not a method for the preparation of this.
Yes, sir.
Important point, that type of questions are usually given, and another important reaction which they discussed, which is always asked and will again be asked in the paper, we are aware of it. Hoffman's bromamide reaction is very important. Hoffman's bromamide reaction. What it does, students, when you react amides, when you react amides with
Br2 and NaOH.
Br2 and NaOH, what happens, student? You get amine
Primary amine.
containing
1 carbon less than the parent amine.
1 carbon less. So this is called degradation reaction. You are decreasing the number of carbons. This is an important, very important reaction, will be asked again. When we will discuss the property, the basicity of amine forms, important question. Here questions will come. Basicity of amines. And we have already told you, they give Kb or pKb values, students, for different type of amines, and that depends on the availability of lone pairs of electron. And alkyl amine basicity questions will be there in gas phase or in aqueous phase. In aqueous, you have seen there are many factors which are involved.
Yes,
So
sir.
questions are usually given in this. They may give you methylamines or ethylamines 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. So you will have the what type of factors will be there. There are electronic factors plus I effect. At the same time, there is a hydrogen bond
Solvation effect.
solvation effect,
Steric hindrance.
steric hindrance, hydration. All this will be involved, student. So the question is, for example, if I compare aniline and ethanamine, student, which is more basic and why?
Sir, ethanamine will be more basic.
Than this. What happens, students?
Sir, in aniline, the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom will be in resonance with the benzene ring.
Okay, so there are certain important reactions we will be experiencing. Important reactions. What you are talking, students? The acylation is very important. Acylation is very important reaction. What happens if you have RNH, student? If I react with CH3, C double bond OCl, what you get? RNH, C double bond OCH3. This reaction is very important, and you know what happens. This is used for protection of the aromatic, in the case of aromatic amines, because they are activating groups. This is an activating group. There is a lone pair of electrons, student, and if I will react with acetic anhydride, if I react with acetic anhydride, then what happens? NHCOCH. What it is used for? This will protect the NH2 group. Otherwise, this is active. If I add Br2, what will happen? 2,4,6 tribromo, aniline, bromine, water. Here you can get ortho and para derivatives, and you can get back the aniline. These are important reaction, and further you are aware of benzylation, acylation of these aromatic compounds. Also, you are aware of a carbylamine test. What is a carbylamine test, students?
Sir, it is the test for primary amines.
1 degree amine when you react with,
chloroform and KOH, then
okay,
it will give isocyanide, which has foul smell.
this is a foul smell. So 1 degree means both aliphatic and aromatics can be distinguished by these students, very important, and you are aware of how they form dissertation reaction or disonium salts. Very important, and that is a route for the preparation of aryl halides, which we told you. Then we have given you a test to distinguish 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree by using sulfonamides, which we use when Hinsberg test.
Hinsberg reagent.
Hinsberg test, student, in which we use benzene sulfonyl chloride. This is our benzene S double bond O S double.
SO2Cl.
This can be used to distinguish 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree. I mean, these are all important points which will be asked in the paper. For aromatic, I mean, the most important reactions we told: electrophilic, aromatic substitution reactions. It is activating group. If I react with Br2, bromine water, you know what happens?
2,4,6 tribromoaniline.
You get 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Many times this has been asked. And then if you want to prepare this product, then what we do, student? What will you do? You
We
will
will
first,
protect the NH2 group.
that reaction forms very important. Acetic anhydride protected NHCOCH3, and then you do the, are aware of it. So these are some of the important points we are aware about the amines. Therefore, these will form an important question answer sessions, which we are going to discuss. There will be a lot of questions on amines in the paper. So let us see what we are talking about. Question 1 is already on the screen, students. Nitrogen atom of amino group is?
sp3 hybridized.
What I'm trying to say, here I can see the bond pair 3, lone pair 1, 4. So when you have 4, bond pair plus lone pair 4, it means sp3 hybridization. There are many ways of answering the question. So these are called the domains, students. What will be the bond angle in this case, students?
In this, it should be,
Take this compound. This is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization.
here bond angle will be a little less than 109.5 degree.
Achha, bond angle is less than 109.5 degree. Why?
Because of the repulsion between the lone pair of electrons.
Here there is a lone pair, bond pair repulsion. These are spread, students, they are repelling, so that will make some difference here. Okay, important point, student. Next question is coming. Which of the following should be most volatile? Volatile, student. Most volatile.
It should.
What type of compounds you are having? Amines, nitrogen. This is 1 degree amine. This is a 3 degree amine. And this is 2 degree. What is this? No, this is.
It is just a compound.
Okay.
So here, more volatile will be this propane, fourth. So it should be fourth one will be more volatile.
So there, in this case, what is happening, students?
It will be absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding that will make it volatile.
But where is the hydrogen bonding here, students? Any hydrogen bonding can you see here? There is also no hydrogen bonding, but these are hydrocarbons because there is some negative charge and here positive. So the answer is A, B, C, D. Which is the correct answer?
It should be B.
B is the correct answer. Hydrocarbons, you have almost same molecular mass. When the molecular masses are equal, what will happen? Molecular masses are almost equal, students. The result could be that they will have the lowest boiling point and will become the most volatile student. Okay. Question 3, C3H cannot represent 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine, quaternary ammonium salt.
It cannot represent.
Amines, how many amines you can make it out of this?
It cannot represent a quaternary salt.
Of course, this, we can write the isomers of isomers. You can write. They will be 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amines. Yes, but there is no plus minus here. This cannot be written. Student cannot represent quaternary ammonium salt. You can draw the isomers of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amines. No problem. Yes. Next question is on the screen. Identify the correct IUPAC name. Which of the following is correct? You are given 1, 2, 3, 4 compounds and their IUPAC name. Which is correct? You can try to name all the 4 students. Try to name all of them and see what happens.
Sir, actually, here A, B, and C, all three are correct. D is incorrect.
This is CH3, CH3. 1, 2, 3. This is wrong. This is correct.
Yes, sir.
N-ethyl, N-methyl, N-methyl ethanamine is correct. What happens to the B? If I write 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl,
Propane to amine.
okay.
That is also correct.
What happens to this? 1, 2, 3. N-methyl, propan to amine. That is also correct. It should be which is the incorrect.
Incorrect. Yes, sir.
That will be D. Okay. That is why I said we should first do, then try to compare our answer. Because if we will solve, then the problem will be less. Okay, question 5 is on the screen, students. The most convenient method to prepare primary milk containing 1 carbon is most convenient method. Most convenient method is
Hoffman bromamide degradation. The C option.
1 carbon less. 1 carbon less.
C.
Gabriel reductive Hoffman. 1 carbon less we have already said. Hoffman is the most important question. They are giving every year some reaction. Next question is coming, student. Identify the correct pathway to convert propanoic acid to ethylamine, the reagent ABC. What we are doing, student? Ethanoic acid you want to convert into ethanamine. Which is the correct method, students? Calcium hydroxide, SOCl2, HNO3, Cn. What you are doing? Heat ammonia, phosphorus and iodine. Just this will get converted into X. Then Y is then converted into C, ethanamine. What is the correct one?
It should be B option. SOCl2.
Heat.
It will first react with SOCl2 to give CH3, CH2, COCl, then with ammonia, and then
This is SOCl2, then ammonia, then Br2.
yes, sir.
SOCl2, what is the product?
CH3, CH2, COCl.
COCl. This is X. Then you react with NH3. What is the product?
It will give CH3, CH2, CONH2. CH3, CH2, CONH2. And
Y.
then with bromine and KOH, it will give amine.
Hoffman's bromamide reaction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So correct answer is B. Question number 7 is on the screen. When excess of ethyl iodide is treated with ammonia, the product is
When excess of iron. D option.
excess CH3 CH2I plus NH3 NH3. What happens? CH3 CH2 NH2. You have excess of this CH3 CH2I. CH3 CH2 NH CH2 CH3. Further CH3 CH2I. This will be CH3 CH2 3 times of N. Further CH3 CH2I excess. So what you will get? CH3 CH2 4N plus, and you have I minus. D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Next
Yes.
question, students.
Amides can be converted into amines by a reaction named after Hoffman bromamide.
Yes, this is the most important reaction. We have discussed it many times. Again, the same question. Hoffman bromide reaction, very important for exam. Very important reaction is this for the exam. Hoffman's bromide reaction will always be a student. Okay, we are aware of it because we know it is very, very important reaction. Next question is coming. Reduction of CH3 CH2 NC with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum as catalyst gives. We have CH3 CH2 N triple bond C reduction with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum. What product you will get, students?
It will give a secondary amine, and it should be B option.
CH3 CH2 NHCH3. Which is the correct answer? A, B, C, D?
B.
B is the correct answer. It is 2 degree amine. Because you are using isocyanide.
Yes,
if you use nitrile, then the product will be, if I use this CH3 CH2 C, then what you will get? CH3 CH2 CH2 NH. So depends on what type of nitriles we are using. You have nitrile or you can use isonitrile. Next question is on the screen. Question number 10. Question number 10. Secondary amines can be prepared. Secondary amines can be prepared
by reduction of isonitriles. C.
Secondary amines can be prepared by the oxidation. Yeah, this is isonitrile, this reaction. Reduction of isonitrile. So that will give me secondary amine. This is the same reaction we have done.
Yes, sir.
Where is the answer? C part. Okay. Next question, which of the following amides will give ethyl on reaction with sodium hypobromide?
It will give ethylamine. Propanamide.
What you are getting? What do you want to prepare? Ethanamine?
CH2NH2.
What reaction we are using?
NaOH and Br2, Hoffman bromide.
Hoffman. Again and again, the same reaction is coming. So the amide will be CH3, CH2, C double bond O2. What is the name of the student? Propanamide.
Propanamide. B option.
I will first write the answer, then I will compare. A, B, option B answer. Next question is on the screen, students. Benzoic acid is treated with thionyl chloride, product X is formed, reacted with ammonia to give Y, Y on reaction with Br2 and KY gives Z. The reaction Z in the reaction is. You write down the complete reaction, see what the products are coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Benzoic acid, SOCl2. What is the product? X. Ammonia. What is the product?
CONH2.
Y. Then
Aniline.
Br2
Br2 and KOH will give aniline.
They may give you this reaction directly, not necessarily they can give MCQ question. They can ask question in any way. All right, what we are getting is aniline, students. Which one of the following reducing agent is likely to be most effective in bringing about the following change? Following change.
CONH2. H2NH2. LiAlH4 and ether.
The reducing agent choice is important. There are many reducing agents which are used. In this case, lithium aluminum hydride is the best reducing agent, but it is the most expensive agent. We try to avoid it because of the cost of it. Next question is on the screen. I mean, that cannot be prepared by Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. This question was given in CBSE sometime back.
Aniline.
We have already answered this question. Before we began, we already said this method is useful for preparation of 1 degree aliphatic amines. It is not used for preparation of aromatic amines, because X, this bond is difficult to break. Is a partial double bond character sp2 hybridization. So many times the question is given sp2 carbon and partial double bond character. This will not be easy to break it because the reagent is a nucleophile attack. We have created a nucleophile which will attack this. Okay, so this is not possible to prepare student by Gabriel. Amide A is the answer. Question 15 is on the screen. Student, what is the end product of the following sequence of reactions? Different weight questions are put in different ways in the examinations. Same question can be put in many ways. Certain questions are important, they are repeated also in the exam.
Aniline.
We have already done this reaction.
Yes, sir.
Same. COCl, then CONH2, and then this reaction
Production.
answered in the last question. Question number 16 is coming on the screen, students. Tertiary amines are the lowest boiling point on isomeric amine because tertiary amines.
They do not form the hydrogen bonds.
Where are the primary amines? Secondary amines, students. And tertiary 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. There is no hydrogen. Say they do not form hydrogen bonds. What is the correct answer then? They do not form hydrogen bond. Answer is B. Okay. Question number 17 is coming on the screen, student. Which of the following amines will give carbylamine reaction? Carbylamine test we have already indicated, very important. Carbylamine test is given by carbylamine.
It should C option.
Carbylamine test is given by
Primary amines.
1 degree primary or
Aromatic amines.
aromatic, aliphatic.
Aromatic and aliphatic both.
And aromatic amines. What is the reagent which is used in carbylamine?
Chloroform and KOH.
So when you will react with chloroform and KOH, what will happen, students? You'll get foul smell of
Isocyanide.
isocyanide. Foul smell will be obtained. Okay, next question is on the screen. CH3, CH2, Cl, NaCl, and nickel hydrogen reduction, then acetic anhydride. What is going to be the product? First, you write down the reaction and see what products will be obtained. Whatever reactions we have studied, it is based on that, students.
Yes, sir. It will give CH3, CH2, CH2, NHCO, CH3.
What we are getting? Acetylation. What is the name of this? Which one is this? CH3.
It should be
No, there is C.
one.
Here I have done some mistake. Here
Sir, one CH
CH2.
should be more. Yes, sir. That
CH,
is. So A option.
A option. All right. A option. A is the correct. Okay.
Product. Yes.
The next question is coming on the screen. The end product Z of the reaction. End product Z of the reaction. Ethylamine with HNO2, 1 PCl5. What is the product, student?
It should be propane nitrile A.
What do you get first when you react ethylamine with nitrous acid?
It will give alcohol, ethanol,
HNO2,
ethanol.
CH3CH2OH. Then what happens?
PCl5, it will give Cl, chloroethane, and then with KCN, propane nitrile.
What is the name of this? Propane nitrile.
Propane nitrile A.
Propane nitrile. Which one is this? A, B, C, D,
A.
A. Okay. Next question is on the screen. Primary and secondary amines are distinguished by. Primary and secondary amine. Primary amines are what? 1 degree. Secondary 2 degree. They can be distinguished by.
It can be distinguished by should HNO2.
What happens? When you,
With primary amine, it will form alcohol. With primary amine, it will form alcohol, and with secondary amine, it will form NO bond, NO bond.
there is nothing else it can be done here. It is clear. We have just shown you the reaction with primary amine. Okay. Question number 21. Arrange the following in increasing order of basicity. Increasing order of basicity. Methenamine, dye, and ammonia and aniline.
C option, it should be.
This is the weakest.
Yes, sir.
And dimethyl is always the strongest here.
Yes, sir.
Where is it?
C.
This one. This is this one. Okay. C. This is important question. Such question of basicity are likely to be asked. They are asked in the paper. Next question. Which of the following species are involved in carbylamine test? Carbylamine test.
Species are in- 1 and 2.
Carbylamine test. What is a carbylamine test? Again and again,
It is.
there is asking question on that.
Yes, sir. Test for primary amine.
You will. That is important question. It means which is there. This is, and which else?
And CHCl3 second.
Chloroform. Which is the correct answer? A, B, C,
B.
D.
B.
One and
2.
Two.
1 and 2. B.
two answer. Carville amine test. It's very famous test. That means. Next question is coming. Identify Z. Identify Z in the reaction, students. What is the reaction? Given aniline. It reacts with NaNO2 HCl 273K. Benzene diazonium chloride.
And with CN, CuCN.
CuCN, what do you get?
CN and benzene. Then benzoic acid. C option.
Then you have H plus and H2O. Boil.
Benzoic acid.
Benzoic acid. This is important question. Where is it? C. They have asked the conversion also sometime. Same reaction can be put and asked. Question can be asked in different ways in the paper. That why we do all this. This gives us a revision of the chapter, as well as some questions which are important and are repeated regularly. Important question will be repeated again and again. So, which one of the following form isocyanide on reaction with chloroform and KOH? Again, we are asking the same question.
It will be a primary amine.
Which is the primary amine here, students?
B option.
B is the correct answer. Primary amine we already know. Which one of the following is used in Hinsberg reagent? I told you Hinsberg reagent is used for testing of
Primary, secondary, and tertiary amines.
distinguished tests are very important in exam. Which is our reagent?
C6H5SO2Cl. A.
Benzene sulfonyl chloride is used. Electrophilic substitution of aniline with bromine water at room temperature. At room temperature gives
2,4,6 tribromoaniline. C.
That is the correct answer. We already got it. NH2 group. NH2 group is a good activator. Activates the benzene ring for orthopara electrophilic substitution reaction. So that becomes important question. So this ends up some of the questions of students. So our purpose is to do practice, and we want to see that how and what type of questions can be given from different topics, and then we will meet you in the.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.